Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Anthony Brown and I'm shooting this quick video in response to the video that you just watched above. Now, our economic condition and the economic collapse that looms over this country is so paramount on what this man was saying. So please take heed on what he just told you above. He knows what he's talking about and he is on point with his message. But what I want to do is I want to take it one step further. I want to talk briefly about the U.S. currency and the U.S. dollar, paper dollars that is. So please, stay tuned and check this out.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Anthony Brown. I'm coming from my home in Bowie, Maryland. Now today I want to briefly discuss the U.S. dollar and why Numis Network Opportunity can protect you and your family's lifestyle. You see, when you think about today's economy, all signs point toward the U.S. dollar, which has already shed fully a third of its value relative to foreign currencies, streaking at supersonic speed for what some say is a historic crash. Now, anyone holding the dollar or dollar-denominated assets sitting on a tippy time bomb, I'm telling you, is fast approaching. But given the massive currency inflation generated in the last few years, there is absolutely no time to lose before that good old paper dollar is nothing. You see, your family's security rests on you taking a look at the Numis Network Opportunity to its fullest. Now, I urge you to seriously take heed to what I'm going to share with you in this video on taking control of your lifestyle situation. Because if you wait till later, it may be too late. Now, unmistakably, there are and have been tons of warning signs that point to what some experts say is a monetary crisis on the verge of just spinning out of control, leading to massive inflation and quite possibly a sudden dollar collapse that will change our nation forever. Now, what I want to do is to take a closer look at events that have unfolded and the best steps that you can take, what I believe can protect yourself. Now, if you can remember, for months we were told that the full impact of these bailouts will come to what? Oh, no more than $700,000 billion. Then the Independent Congressional Budget Office checked the math, and then the deficit ended up rising to $860-some billion. And even that's just tip of the iceberg with what they have already committed. You see, major foreign investors such as China are quickly catching on to the harder reality escalating here in the U.S. They see that we're out of moves, and they're coming to inescapable conclusions that the only way Washington can keep up with its Ponzi finances is to keep running these printing presses. You know, as I mentioned, the dollar has already surrendered fully a third of its value relative to other world currency in just a half dozen years. This and other facts lead to the conclusion that our economy and markets will shrivel relatively to adjacent countries such as Asia. Now, whether you want to believe it or not, that's on you. But a massive dumping of the devaluing of the dollar looms largely and dagger over our heads. You know, we need to really begin to take some precautions if we stand a chance on getting ahead in this economy. Now, the good news is that you don't have to just sit by passively and watch your fortunes erode along with this country. It's a way that you can actually protect yourself and keep your profits that you would want to share with your family. Now, even the mega investor Warren Buffett has caught wind of what's happening. The Oracle of Omaha has admitted publicly that recent spat of frantic spending and money creation will soon trigger a currency destroying inflation that will be much more like, I think, back in the 70s. Translation, you better watch your dollar. Now, I was reading not too long ago about another truly big-time investor, Jim Rogers. He sent an email, and I quote, "The world at large does seem to understand innately that governments are bankrupting themselves and destroying paper currency." Man, bankrupting, destroying, man, those are some strong words, but truly meaningful only to those savvy enough to take heed and take action before the bottom drops out. Alright? But quick question. Which nation, government, and currency do you think are on a fast track to monetary doomsday? America. You know. So if you can say U.S., shame on you. Now, do I have your attention yet? I should. That's why you owe it to yourself to look into this phenomenal Numis Network opportunity. You see, this is a way for you to obtain precious metals, specifically gold and silver, just like this that I have in my hand, which have been used as a store of value as a monetary instrument for over 5,000 years. You see, this opportunity allows you to collect and market money. Now you might say, well, I don't like collecting coins, or I'm not a coin collector. And that may be true. However, look, everybody collects something. That's human nature. The poor and middle class collect what Robert Kiyosaki calls doodads, while the rich collect assets. So why would you rather collect that? Would you rather collect the asset or liability? It's your call. Take control of your situation. Protect yourself and your family's lifestyle from that falling dollar. It's all in your court. Now, if you need to take a look at the Numis Network, click on the link below and go take a look at Numis Network opportunity and what it can do for you and your family. So with that, this is Anthony Brown. I'm signing off, and I will see you on my next video.